gonna do an unboxing video on this dual camera UAV S8000 HD electrically adjusted dual cameras. Oh, that's what's up. Nice. You could download the Google app or on the App Store. I'm guessing that's for Apples. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. It comes in this nifty little case here. We'll open it up. I'm already outside because I want to fly it. And it has LEDs on the fins. So anyways, so here we have it. Looks nice and sleek. Oh, I like that the padding is actually made for it. Ooh, that's dope. And you just unfold these. Might be easier if I use both hands. And I did get this on Amazon. There's LED strips right there. And LEDs down in there. And the camera. Looks like maybe there's a protective film on there. I'm not too sure. Hopefully it is because pretty scratched up. And there is perfect. So I'll take that off. Neat. It comes with 2 battery packs. One is already installed. You just press in these release clips on both sides. You pull back and out it comes out. And it has 2 little guides there. So you just slide it in and clip it into place. I'm guessing you hold the power button or press it. But let's look at our controller. And this one's gonna take some batteries. Perfect. 3 AA's. And then we have a pack of accessories with the charger. A couple more fins. Oh, I think it has some protective guides too. Yeah, it does have some protective guides. So we'll install those protective guides. I got it from Amazon. Here's a little directional pad. Instructions. And this is what it will look on the app, I'm assuming. There it tells you where to download it. You can scan it. And a set of instructions. So, let's go insert those batteries real quick. Alright, I got some batteries here. And I'll just put them into place. And then close this lid. There should be a little screw there, but there isn't. Maybe it's inside the bag here. Oh yeah, I see it already. Oh, if I could reach it. There they are. And then here is the charger. Micro USB. Where is your connection? Oh, there you are. So you just plug this in to the micro USB cable. And it goes upwards. And then just hook this up to like a wall adapter charger. Oh, nice. And they provided 2 cables so you can charge both batteries at the same time. Provided a small screwdriver. Let's see what else they got. Here are the guides. Oh, these are nice and sturdy too. I like that. We're gonna install those too just to be safe for these blades and help the gears stay alive. Alright, so we have 4 blades. I'm not too sure what those are for, probably to hold this into place. So we'll insert these like so for now. Let me figure it. Oh, I see. These are just so you could close those in. If not, to put these guards. I'm gonna put the guards. They simply just go in like that on every corner. Just like so. Alright, so this is 360 turns, tumbling. This one is high and low speed switching. This one is short press 1 key to return. Long press headless mode. This one is short press 1 key to take off. one key to land, long press, emergency stop. This one is for fine tuning. This one is one click correction. This one is camera up, camera down, camera drop. And then guiding it, and power switch. So let's turn our controller on and let's turn our drone on. Hopefully they provided enough power to have some fun. Sweet. And it connected. And let's launch it. Whoa. Maybe let me do this and then record it. How about them catching skills though, huh? Alright. And here it is. It even has two little lights on the top. That's it. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's nice. Let's take her up. How do you turn on the lights at the bottom? That's what I want to know. I don't know. I'm probably gonna need the app for that. So let me download the app and then I'll screen record the app. Alright, and here is the screen here. Settings. Start. We're gonna have to connect this. So let me try connecting this first. Alright, it's gonna want to know the location. And we'll connect up here. And we're gonna look for its wireless connection. Alright, and there it is. My kids just got home, so we're gonna give it a try. Alright, and connect. And I meant to always connect. Now we'll go back and start. And we have camera view there. Nice. Let me see. There's a bunch of settings up on top. Just have to play this and try it for a while. It has to follow, stop. I don't know what all those symbols mean. Rev. I think you control it with your phone. You can here and here. Oh, and here are the buttons for the lights. Let's see. So I feel like it turned on the front ones. There's my son staring at it. I don't know. We're gonna give it a go and see what happens. And we'll record from the camera itself. Let's see. We could change the angle on the camera as well. So I'm gonna fire it up. And it's super dark, so you cannot see anything. And it died nice. So I'm gonna charge both of the batteries and we'll give it a try in the morning. Alright, I have the batteries charging overnight. It says it takes 180 minutes to fully charge. There's a little red light and then the red light should turn off. The red light did not turn off. So hopefully they're fully charged. And we'll take it out again and set it back up. Open up the flaps. Put the guards into place. Alright, and I found out to turn on these LEDs, there's actually a little switch right here. And there we have it. LEDs are on. So I'll turn them on for all the blades. And one of the blades did not turn on. Well, let's give it a try though. And those screws are not for this here. And this keeps coming off. We have to find a screw for it. Alright, it is now daybreak. We'll see how it looks. Let me switch into the app. There's also a pre-flight procedure. You need to hold these down like that. They'll start flashing. There it is. And then we'll bring this up. And let me switch over to the app. Alright, and there's a live view. Let's take her up. Oh, that's pretty sick. Let's bring the camera down. 60 loop. One thing I noticed is that when you do a turn, it wants to drop. So we gotta figure that out. Trying to get it to go forward, but it's not really responsive. Come on. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me there. Well, let's take her up, see what's up. Come on now. Oh, where are you going? You are going towards the trees. Do not go that way. Come on now. What is your problem? Man, this is not responsive at all. I think it needs to be like, you need to be close to it. But you have to be close to it in order for it to work. That's nuts. And it wants to land. What the heck? What the heck, bro? What the heck are you doing? Man. There it is. This little thing has issues. It doesn't really function properly. I think the range is kind of off. Had another one. That one was pretty good. Not as good as this one, but performed better. I don't know. Maybe I just gotta play with it some more. So there it is. What do you guys think? You can kind of see the lights, kind of not. At dark time it would be a lot better. But that is my review on this here. It's okay. For kids, it's okay, I guess. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I just noticed there's a light over here on the plug as well for the charger. Maybe that's the light that turns off. Alright, so I fully charged the batteries and I think that was it. It is no longer dropping. It is keeping up to level. I'm able to do the 360 turns now and it is not dropping. Maybe it just needed a full charge battery. Sweet. And I got the little fans to work too. There's little switches underneath them. Right here on the side. And that turns all these little LEDs on. I think I showed this already, but sweet. I like it now. It's working good. Guess just needed a full battery charge. It's just good to go. And all 4 blades are working now. Sweet. Thanks for watching. And you can't see it, but it glows red from the inside.
and when that red turns off, then this is fully charged. There is also a red light on here, but that does not turn off. It turns off right at the connector. Sweet.
Alright, and we're going to switch out the fan blades. They provided the screwdriver, and that's what these screws are for the little fan blades here. So, to remove them, we'll use this Phillips screwdriver that they provided. We'll loosen that up, or take off the screw. Alright, we remove the screw, and just pull the blade out. Then grab the replacement ones, because these are the ones that have brand new batteries for these here. And then just place it back exactly the same way he took it out. Make sure that hole is facing that hole right there, and then line them up, put the screw back into place, and repeat.